Hello friends, welcome to Glorious Nature. Today I am going to share about Aglaonema snow white plant care. It is a one variety of Aglaonema. We can keeping in indoor as well as outdoor. But in outdoor, outside temperature not more than 32 degrees Celsius. Because if it more than 32 degrees Celsius, leaf tip become brown due to the sunburn. Regarding if you are keeping indoor, it will survive in low light. So for beginners, for beginners we can choose this Aglaonema plant because it have less care and less maintenance plan. Then regarding light, it survive in low light area. So if you does not have any we cannot provide in good indirect light, it not cause any problem because it's surviving low light. If we can provide good indirect bright light, it help for fast growing also. So no problem if you are providing or if you are not providing also. Then regarding soil, when I am reporting this Aglaonema plant, I am taking based on that pot size 50% of coco peat or peat moss and 40% of multipurpose compost and 10% of perlite. Then regarding water, during the fingertip method, we can touch the soil 2-inch depth. When the soil is dry, then we can apply the water. Then water also not make much issue for this plant. Then regarding temperature, I already explained 25 to 32 degrees Celsius temperature is helpful for survival of this plant. This plant like high humidity. So if our room does not have much does not have high humidity, we can boost the high humidity by the misting method or humidifier. Then regarding propagation, root division method, we can take out that small baby plant, then we can potting in other pot, then we can grow new plant like. Then we can use the stem cutting method. We can take stem, matured stem cutting, then putting in water. After root come, we can shift it to soil. If you don't want to keeping in water, no problem. We can directly keeping in soil. It will come root and it will become grow like new plant. Then regarding propagation, I already then seed also. I heard from seed also we can propagate this plant. Then some Aglaonema plant will we can see in some flower. So I think in here also no. Now I think it not came. Before like this plant I saw many flowers. So I think you know that peace lily type, like that type of one flower will come for Aglaonema. Then problems, if our room does not have high humidity, then leaf tip become brown. It due to the less humidity. So we can boost the humidity. Then if you are keeping outside, leaf tip become brown due to the sunburn. Then overwatering will cause for root rot. Then if we are not giving sufficient water, it will cause for leaf wilting. Then sometimes we can say that millibug fungal infection. So we can prevent it by neem oil spray. Otherwise, rice water we can spray. So this is the care regarding Aglaonema. Aglaonema snow white plant. Then if you like my video, please share. Then if you does not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. Then we can see in next video. Bye bye.